Hello everyone, welcome to watch the production process of DL glasses to make sunglasses. Next, I will introduce each step in detail. I hope you can get to know us better and cooperate with us. Step 1. Raw material preparation and frame injection. You can see the prototype of the product. Different colors and different types of products can be customized. Please send an email to salesadlsunglasses.com. Step 2. Frame polishing and clearing. Sand the temples and frame to make them smooth and tactile. Requires a very delicate and time-consuming step. Step 3. Screw hinge fixing. Every pair of sunglasses needs hinges, so this step is essential. Custom plastic, metal, spring hinges are acceptable. Step 4. Frame painting and drying. Customize different colors, shine or matte. Use Pantone color number. Step 5. Fixing lens. Precise instrument cutting lens, perfect cutting surface. For custom shapes, please send email to. Step 6. Install lens. It is about to finish making a complete pair of sunglasses. After the installation is completed, it can be inspected and packaged. If you have packaging requirements, please contact us directly. Different packaging sizes and colors can be customized. Want to learn more about sunglasses? Wondering how to customize your own design? Want to have the perfect pair of sunglasses? Maybe you have encountered many sunglasses manufacturing factories, but we have more than 20 years of experience in manufacturing and exporting sunglasses, and can answer any problems you encounter. Remember to click to follow. Please bookmark the online product content.